Alright, so you see that couple here? Yeah, that couple here. I'm a YouTube friend that we made recently, and I'm about to prank fear mother. Yeah, so them recently just married, and me, I gotta tell her mother, say, boy, me love her from long time, and me buy a ring for her, and a long time we did there, and him just never know, and me never know, so she get married, and maybe it's kind of try and mash up the relationship, them marriage. Yeah. Also, please go subscribe to them channel. Them funny and them nice. Anyway.
Alright, watch it now. Why do the intro?
So guys, you don't know, we have Ashley and
Davian.
Yeah,
The Hills.
And we are the Hills.
I mean, I know them one good one now, but I not even remember them name. You see? But yeah, them have a YouTube channel and they're married, and yeah, we're gonna do a video today.
Yeah.
And the link in the description if you don't subscribe.
Yeah.
Go subscribe. You know what I'm saying?
We're here with the great Manii.
Not that
Biggest
great.
prankster in Jamaica, guys.
Not the biggest.
In the
Come on,
infamous
guys.
bedroom,
Yes, you're the biggest.
where all the magic happens.
That's it. Alright.
So, got your number out of her phone, and to be honest, I don't know what else to do. Like, I bought a ring. She know that I love her, and can I say we did nothing?
Yeah.
Like, that can spice up.
But say nobody never know.
But I can say
But never know.
while she
said-
did there
she
with
said-
you, while she there with you, me and I know things, but nobody never know.
That-
You have reached the voicemail box of... Hello?
Hi, Miss Donna.
Hello?
Hi, Miss Donna.
I'm not hearing you. Can you speak up, please?
Miss Donna, can you hear me?
Uh-huh.
Miss Donna. Hello.
I'm hearing you, but you kind of break now. Yes?
Oh, alright. Just tell me when I'm breaking up. You can hear me now?
I'm hearing the voice. Yes. Who is this?
Okay. You probably don't remember me, but I used to take Ashley to the Vineyard Town bus stop when I did stop carrying her from school.
You used to do what?
I used to follow your daughter to the bus stop after you did stop carrying her to school.
I don't know who this is. Is there something else you can let me to remember you? What's your name?
It's Dwayne. To be honest, you're probably not going to remember me, but
Dwayne?
yeah, actually calling you to tell you that
Dwayne?
Dwayne.
Dwayne?
Yeah.
Oh.
I actually call you to tell you that I don't know how to tell you, but me and your daughter, we've been in things, right? And I found out recently that she's getting married. Oh, not getting, she got married, I'm sorry. And I did buy a ring for her, but I didn't know that the relationship that she's in is so deep, and I don't know what else to do. Like, I did buy a ring, like, I love your daughter, and I'm pretty sure she has feelings for me, because up to what day, like, she saw me and was in things. That's how I got your number. I got it out of her phone, because I did ask her for a phone call.
So why are you calling me from a private number?
Because I didn't want to, like, violate anything, and I just want to, because I'm really in a bad situation where I feel really bad. Like, this guy, I can take care of your daughter, and this guy really, like, basically out of the blues. And me and your daughter was in things from before, even while they were together. And then now they're married. I don't understand. And I don't understand. And I love your daughter.
So why are you calling me that telling me this?
Because I don't want them to be together, and I can take care of her. Like, I just don't know what to do in this situation. I did buy a ring and everything, and like, even one day, like, she came at my house, and after them wedding, like, I saw her, and you know, she told me that she missed me.
What that you're talking about?
Ashley
What's your girl last name?
Chambers, that's the right Ashley, right? This is Miss Donna. I remember you. This is Miss Donna. You're not going to remember me, but hello?
Yeah, man, I'm hearing you.
When she used to go to St. Hughes, man, I used to follow her to the bus stop.
What you said your name was again?
Dwayne. We were in a relationship up to what day, even when, like, she got married and thing. I didn't know that she was gonna get married. and I was going to marry her.
Lord of mercy.
Why you laughing? Why you laughing at me?
So where do you live?
I live Reddy's Road. Why you laughing at me, Miss Donna? What I do now?
Why are you laughing?
Yeah.
Because it's the first time hearing something like this.
Honestly, I thought you'd remember me, cause I basically used to take care of her, cause I love your daughter. I'm not even lying.
Oh, okay. So what is your number?
You going? Alright. So to be honest, you can't tell her that I call you.
Pardon?
You can't tell her that I call you because she never want me to. She don't want you to know about me because she didn't want that.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
So if you chopped off so much, so why you call me and tell me this?
Because she get married. I didn't know that she was gonna get married to the guy.
Then if she love you so much and you love her, or she got married to somebody else.
Miss Donna, I don't know how to explain this, but up to one day, like a month ago, me and your daughter had sex.
You know what?
Up to like a month ago, we basically in a relationship. We've been having sex, so I don't understand.
I see. Oh, goodness. Alright, Julian, I think you said enough. So what is your number?
Why you laughing at me?
So what is your number?
You have a pen and a paper?
Yes, man. Go ahead with the number. Zero 4. That is your number.
Can I ask why you laughing at me?
What is? You can't stop me from laugh because you're saying things to me. I'm not sure you're talking about my daughter. Repeat the number for me, please. Okay. All right, do it. Sorry to hear about that. Okay?
So you're gonna help me with the situation? I can take care of her and everything.
Help me with what situation?
I don't want them to stay married, Auntie Donna.
All right, I'm going to call you back in 10 minutes.
Alright.
Hello, Africa. What Africa? The background of a song different because she gonna call me right now.
I see your mates.
Good.
I see your mother mates.
Yes.
I'm lock out the phone.
From pick up on the alright,
Yeah,
no,
lock
stay.
out the phone.
Yeah, I'm from the lock. Yeah.
From lock out the phone good.
So what am I for tell her is I don't know you?
I hear your mother mates.
I never think about that part, yeah. Wait.
You gonna call
You have to try to tell her say, yeah, I know him. Just try.
Ewa.
I know I do him from high school.
Ewa.
The
What?
part boy said.
No, we know.
We never-
We know some I'm a virgin.
We never script that, so
We know.
Alright, but yeah.
That's meds. Your mother think highly of you, right?
Right, so she call her no.
What if you fess up to everything I'm just saying? How should I react?
If I face up to it,
How should I react? Talk fast. Is a good reaction or no?
I don't know what to say.
Let's like try help you now.
Like I said, Mom, I can't talk about this right now. Yeah, I say that.
You name it in the background? She call me to box.
Right? Check on you. No, the door together.
No, she knows we're going to plan a lunch date. Lunch date.
Hello, Auntie Donna?
Yes, Davian. Come to Ashley phone.
I think it was on silent, but she's next to me.
Let me talk to her now, please.
Okay.
Hello?
Ashley,
Yeah?
somebody just come. You know somebody named Dwayne?
Dwayne?
Mm-hmm.
From where?
The young man used to walk up to St. Jude's when I stopped carrying to school.
Oh, Dwayne! Yeah, from sixth form high school.
Oh, so you know him?
Yeah.
I
You,
will just call you with one piece of story. Because when Naomi did because this girl that shot me.
shock you, what am I say?
Oh, him don't want, him just realized that he got married and he did buy a ring for you. And he did really love you.
What?
And he can take care of you. And just a month ago, you and him have sex. And you and him had sex. I'm saying, sure, you're talking about my daughter? Yes, Ashley Chambers, Auntie Donna. So I said, oh yeah, no, me as Auntie Donna. So it said, it can take care of you. And why me laughing? Come here, say laugh. Because, why me laughing? Because he don't want you to be married. It can take care of you. And he did buy you a ring to marry you.
What? Doing from high school?
Yes, I don't have to and him saying it's like basically in a relationship and when we start care of school you didn't used to walk to school.
Well, that part the true. But we never really like in a relationship.
And about a month ago
Probably a little bit because sometimes we used to me and him used to talk, like not talk, but we used to like him used to open up to me and tell me about him life and stuff like that.
So every time I laugh him ask me why me laugh. So I say
Him kinda have that thing, sometimes him get that way, like him feel like people always a laugh at him. Him used to go and say in a high school.
and him serious, him just learned the other day that you get married and he did buy a ring for you.
Yeah, I did see him the other day. And me tell him say, I'm married now.
Oh, I'm asking where him live. Him say him live up Red Hill. And him say about a month ago, you and him had sex.
Oh, him say that?
Yes.
Alright, mommy, I have to call you back.
Okay.
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, Manii. What you gonna say that for?
After the reaction,
Yeah,
don't worry.
yeah,
You don't see
yeah.
that good
The
thing,
reaction
brother.
better.
Come on,
The
brother.
better
Come
with
on.
that.
Come on, brother. Come like an ass. You know, okay. You don't know that okay that means.
Okay, this is really true.
Oh, my chest hurt me, no? Alright,
Wow.
so yeah,
Wow,
your
so
man
risky
again prank
business.
and thing.
Yeah.
What would that be really good if what would be really good now is actually if you wouldn't put a mother up on camera.
Yeah.
Yeah? You guys would get a reaction and say mommy is a prank in a real life. And then I send it to me.
Oh, so wait till we go home before we tell her.
Yeah, because she probably all a meds everything no
Yeah.
one. So when it don't text her call and nobody answer phone, you go there with the camera. Mommy, it's a joke. It's not my idea. Hi, I'm the YouTuber.
Mastermind prankster.
Because I'm like,
Yeah.
man, like,
Yeah,
kinda-
tell her something for play on
Brother.
her mind.
Oh, what you did? That was good. That was really good. No channel name again.
The Hills, so
Hills.
it's D-A, Davy and Ashley Hills. Yes,
That's
guys.
HILLS.
So subscribe, we do pranks too, we do challenges, all of that Q&A.
And we just finished our wedding series. So
And
you
we're
can
gonna
check
drop
it
our
out.
wedding video
Them
soon.
hype.
So look out for it.
They married and
It's
thing.
not no hype. You have to hype to be married.
This man 1 year older than me and he married. Look at
2
him.
years him soon.
You're 24 years here?
Yeah.
No matter.
It matters.
When me in a grade 8, him in a grade 10.
Pretty much, yeah.
Also?
Yeah.
Or could it be 1 year before it?
Age doesn't matter, guys. When you're getting married, you can get married anytime you feel like. Once you're over 18, no cycle.
And once you believe you're
So I
ready.
can ask you some personal
Once you
questions.
believe you're ready.
I can ask you what appearance it say?
Both us getting married.
Yeah.
We just finished recording with Manii, and it was
Boy.
quickly escalated prank.
Yes, him gonna tell mama, let's say, Virgin Ashley have sex with him, right?
Before Dave and
But
her got
that wasn't
married.
a part of the prank, guys. We did not plan that. He just said that on the phone, and the done gone bad. So I just opened up my phone a while ago. Wait there. When I send my message, but I gotta put it up on the screen. You guys will see it. So she's totally not happy right now. So we're going back home to get her reaction. And whew.
Intense.
Yeah. So
I never expect him to say that either, because when I hear him say it, they shock. Like me I say, we never rehearse that. We never rehearse that.
But yeah, we're going to see her reaction. This should be interesting because she's very upset right now.
Alright, so when we get there.
Hi.
I knew me.
Yes, I said, I hope that is a prank call. I hope it is a prank call because I wasn't amused by it at all. And if I wasn't a Christian, I would have told the guy some things.
Alright, okay. It was a prank.
You see there, I didn't know it was a prank and I didn't know it.
Yeah, it was a prank.
Yes.
Yes.
It was a prank, okay. So yeah, our lunch date was to meet a popular YouTuber called Manii, and he's a prankster. So we made up the story. But
No.
Buy your merch. Don't know. Manii. Watch the ads. Yeah.